Hello students, welcome back to our YouTube Bagan with another video. Today I am going to explain this bacterial growth problem K for analyzing Bloom's taxonomy. CO1 course objective for 5 marks. So let's understand this problem in the easiest way possible. The number n of bacteria in a culture grow at a rate proportional to n. The value of n was initially 100 and increased to 332 in 1 hour. What would the value of after 1.5 hour in after 1.5 hour? Consider time in seconds. So for considering time in seconds, we'll understand or convert the time into seconds, or directly we can calculate, and afterwards at the last we can conclude with a conversion of hours into seconds. So first we should find formula finding or formula derivation. So formula derivation equal to dn by dt equal to kn. How it is possible? Dn by dt directly proportional to n. So by removing this proportionality constant, we will introduce k. Here rate of change of n. Here it is given in the question only. The grow rate of a bacteria is proportional to n. So I am given grow rate. Grow rate, it is proportional with time. With the time of change of time, the bacteria is increasing. Number of bacteria is increasing. So it is dn by dt. Now you understood how it is written like this. Next k. Kn. K is proportionality constant, n proportional to n. So this is the formula. Next we should find or derive the formula for it. So this will send to this side 1 by n dn equal to, this will send to this side k dt. Integrating on both sides, it will become log n plus c1 equal to k t plus c2. c1 plus c2 equal to, or c2 minus c1 equal to c. Let's take it as a big constant. So log n equal to k t plus c. So here log n equal to what here? To the base e. E will be sent to that side. It will become, log will become exponential. So here e power k t plus c. So next it will be becoming the formula for this. But before that we should apply log to both. So here n equal to e power kt into e power c. So e power c will be taken as n value, n not value, because constant value of any constant value of e power something, some constant is a n naught. N naught means what here? At time n equal to 0, only the this value will come. The value of this value constant value at 0 will be coming. So here n equal to n naught e power kt. So here it will become next n naught e power kt. So here n is what here? N is 332. Write it 332 equal to 100 e power k k k is what here? K is not written, so don't write it. T is what there? T is 1, so write it here. 3.32 equal to e power k log e to the power log e of 3.32 equal to k. So k value is what here? Let's find it out by using calculator. Ln of 3.32 equal to what? Let's write it here, 1.199. So I am taking 1.19 or 1.20. Let's take it 1.2 equal to k. So this value you should substitute in the next value, next formula. So n is changing now. As t changes, n value is also changes, but not the n naught value. N naught value is fixed, as the value of n at 0 is always fixed for a given, for any given event. So here next, I am taking here n equal to 100 e power k. K is what here? 1.2. T is what here? 3 by 2. So here 2 0.6. N equal to 100 into e power 0.6. So here it will be 0.6 into 3 equal to n equal to 100 e power 1.8. E power 1.8 is what here? E power 1.8 is, let's see in the calculator. I am showing you how to calculate it. Shift plus this 8. E. So e power 1.8 equal to 6.049. So write it here up to 6.04. So here I am writing 6.049 into 100. It will become 604.9. So this 604.9 is converted to seconds. So for 1 hour it is how much? How many seconds? 3600 seconds. So 3600 into 3 by 2. 2 ones are 2 eights are. So 18 ones are 1836, 18 52. 18 3 are 54. So here n of 54 100 seconds equal to 604.9 numbers. This is the value of n of 5.5400. This is the final value. Consider time in seconds. So I have considered time in seconds. This is the total value after calculating. This is a simple problem. You can get 5 marks easily by doing this problem. 5 marks. Compulsory 5 marks. This is very important and very easy problem. So look at it here. It is very easy. So thanks for watching, friends. For more intention videos like this, please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, the bell icon, and activate the notification bar. Thanks for watching, friends. Bye.